6.27 pounds shy of a 7-pounder. A little different, color-coded fishing challenge.
The first one is the mystery.
Oh, that's awesome.
Is it?
Yes,
That's great.
because the mysteries are one of these three. No, he came off.
Got a little too excited there, mate. Just a little. Well, would you look at that? Show the lovely folks.
Behemoth.
Behemoth?
Behemoth.
What is that?
I'm literally shaking.
Are you?
This is Behemoth. It's about 6.27 pounds shy of a 7-pounder. There'll be more videos coming out like this.
Videos?
Videos.